They are the most annoying creatures in the world. They contaminate your food, invade your homes, and carry more than 35 diseases. Are we talking about spiders? Cockroaches? Moths? Actually, none of the above. We're talking about mice and rats. These small rodents cause billions of dollars in damage worldwide every year. They contaminate 20% of food supplies and chew through electrical cables, causing fires. In America, it's suspected that 1 in 5 fires of unknown origin are caused by mice. It's estimated that there are approximately 5 to 7 billion mice and rats worldwide. That's nearly 1 mouse for every person on Earth. China alone is home to more than 2 billion rats. In cities like New York, the mouse population is observed to be steadily growing, with rising temperatures accelerating the trend. So where do all these mice come from? The answer is simple: their incredible reproduction rate. A female mouse can give birth 5 to 10 times a year, producing an average of 5 to 6 offspring each time. That means a single female mouse can produce 35 to 60 pups per year. Even more alarming, mice reach sexual maturity in just 4 to 6 weeks. So the babies quickly start having babies of their own. Rats are larger but equally prolific. A female rat can give birth up to 7 times a year, with 6 to 12 pups per litter. That's up to 84 offspring annually. Now let's say we decided to wipe out all mice. How would we do it? First, we'd need to stop their reproduction. We could use poisons, but that harms the ecosystem. When mice die, the predators that eat them get poisoned too. We could use traps, but catching 7 billion mice, one by one, is impossible. We might release genetically modified sterile mice, but that would take decades. But what if we succeeded? What would happen if all mice suddenly disappeared? The upsides: spread of disease would stop. Mice carry more than 35 diseases: hantavirus, plague, salmonella, leptospirosis, rat bite fever, and more. Let's not forget that the Black Death in the Middle Ages killed 25 million people, and that disease was spread by fleas carried on rats. Economic losses would decrease. Mice contaminate 20% of the world's food supply annually. In America alone, 400,000 tons of food are destroyed every year due to mouse contamination. Fire risk would drop. Mice constantly gnaw and damage electrical wiring. It's believed that 1 in 5 fires of undetermined cause are started by mice. Infrastructure damage would stop. Mice burrow through homes, warehouses, and sewers, causing billions of dollars in structural damage. The downsides: ecosystem collapse. Mice are a critical part of the food chain. Owls, hawks, snakes, foxes, cats, all of these predators rely heavily on mice for food. Without mice, the populations of these species would crash. Insect explosion. Mice eat a large number of insects. Without them, cockroach and other insect populations would grow unchecked. Seed dispersal would be disrupted. Mice carry seeds, helping plants spread. Without them, some ecosystems could struggle to reforest. Scientific research would grind to a halt. Lab mice are the backbone of medical research. Genetic studies, drug testing, disease research, all of it depends on mice. But wait, could a world without mice actually be better? After all, they spread disease and cause damage. No, not really. Mice have existed in ecosystems for millions of years. They serve as a food source for predators, help aerate the soil through burrowing, and act as seed dispersers for plants. Yes, they cause damage in our cities, but that's because we've encroached on their natural habitats. Looking back at history, the mass killing of cats during the Middle Ages led to an explosion in the mouse population and contributed to the spread of the plague. Controlling mouse populations without natural predators is nearly impossible. So no, wiping out all mice would be a terrible idea. The solution isn't elimination, it's maintaining a balanced ecosystem and making our homes mouse-proof. But what if instead of mice, all the world's cockroaches suddenly vanished? That sounds like a great topic for another what if.